Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by loading Icarus Dash and the right mods. Equip a subclass that supports aerial movement. Focus on mobility so your midair control improves, and pick light armor to maximize agility. Once done, swap to weapons with fast handling and aim stability while airborne, because you need to keep pressure while moving. Make sure to bind a convenient jump/strafe input, and test in a safe activity to feel the timing and momentum before engaging tougher encounters. You jump and trigger Icarus Dash at the top of your ascent for maximum horizontal distance and stability. This timing preserves aim and gives you an elevated firing window. While dashing, steer with small strafes and micro-adjust your aim so aim assist keeps you on target. Once landed, immediately reset with glide or another jump if available, chaining dashes using cooldown reduction mods to shorten windows between uses. This flow maintains offensive momentum and reduces vulnerability. You finish an Icarus Dash engagement by capitalizing on the brief midair pause, open with your primary, then transition to heavy or abilities while enemies track less reliably. If your shots miss or control feels drifted, adjust mobility and weapon handling or refine dash input timing. Small increments matter. When things still fail, return to patrol and rehearse the chain. Practice jump, dash, strafe, fire. Reset. This repetition exposes mod interactions and solidifies muscle memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.